Eric Stromquist. We're here at Realcomm IBcon with the guy with the perfect hair, Mark Fernandes from Rib Relays. Mark, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
Yeah, great to be here, Eric. Just out here at IBcon talking to people about Rib Relays and how we can help them, in their installations on intelligent buildings.
I'll tell you what, the thing about it is, you can either make or break a job when you get down to the relay level, right? And I think one of the great things about your products is they're designed with the controls technician in mind, right? So talk about how some of your products save time on installation.
Yeah, so, the Rib Relay was designed just for that purpose, right? Easy to install, wide range of applications, so you don't have to carry 15 different relays on you. You carry one relay, does all your jobs.
That's really cool. And of course, your current transformers, man, or your current sensors, these are really cool too. So, I like the way you guys have designed these. Right? The patented Ryan Smith latch here, which just makes it real easy to open and install. Man, no problem clamping with the wires or anything, right?
Yeah. Instead of having a hinge on it like a lot of other people's products, it's hard to get around the wires. Just open that latch, slide it back together, right around the wire, easy to do.
Really, really cool. And then the other thing, it kind of auto-tunes itself, for lack of a better term, right? In terms of the current, adjusting to the current going through?
Yeah, so it's fully self-powered. The version you're holding there is actually for an ECM application. So if you've got those tough ECM applications where the current's really low, this will take care of that for you.
No, it's really great. Of course, the ECM motors are so prevalent now. The big thing about those motors is they have such a low current draw and hysteresis. I learned that word from Ryan Smith, by the way, just so you know, that you guys go down low enough that you don't get a false signal, correct?
Yeah, and those ECM motors typically have a standby current as well. So even when the fan's not running, there's current still being pulled. So that hysteresis is really important there to make sure it's as small as possible.
Really, really good. What product are you most excited about this year?
Large power supply has been a great product for us. We continue to add on to that product line. The current sensors are a big deal. Not a lot of people know that we have them. We've added DC power supplies within the last year as well. So just trying to push those new products, make sure people know we're more than just Rib Relays.
Well, the really cool thing about it, because you figure every time you cut a purchase order, it costs you money when you have to do multiple vendors, right? So I love the fact you guys are able, because most people are using the Rib Relays and they can bundle other things, save money just by bundling things together, right?
Yeah, just one-stop shop, one PO. We get everything out to the job that you need. It's in stock, ready to be delivered.
Cool. So my last question for you is, who does Ryan Smith's hair for him?
I'm not exactly sure. His wife's not on the trip with him this trip, so I'm not sure who fixed it this morning. Maybe John?
Maybe John? Okay, cool. What do you say let's introduce Ryan and get him in here real quick.
Right.
What do you say?
Let's do it.
Mark, thanks so much. Appreciate it, brother.
Thanks, Eric.
Come on in, Ryan.
Hey, John.
There he is, man. YouTube star, sensation, TikTok heartthrob, Ryan Smith from Functional Devices. Man, Ryan, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
Thank you for having me.
Well, you talk to us about your rise to fame from, technician, extraordinaire, national sales manager, now YouTube phenom. What's it like?
I just fit in with a great group of people here at Functional Devices. Before I came here, I sold Rib Relays, CTs, power supplies, and now I get to sell them to the people that sell them to our customers. And it's just a lot of fun to come to things like this, meet people like you, hang out with John and Mark, and man, it's just living the dream.
Well, no, I'm kind of tongue-in-cheek, because if you think about our industry, what we do is important, but it doesn't need to be serious, right? So, I love your YouTube videos, and I kind of brought you on because if you haven't checked out Functional Devices' YouTube channel yet, you got to do it, man. Ryan is, hilarious.
Thank you for saying that. I have a lot of fun making those videos. We get to, they give me a lot of freedom to pick the subject and write the script and get the video out there so we can get our information to the people that want to see it.
Absolutely. So it's fun, man. We all are inundated with so much stuff. To have somebody take the approach you're having of making them fun, also informative, makes a lot of sense, man. First of all, YouTube channel, how do they find out? And then how do they find out more about Functional Devices?
You can go to our website, functionaldevices.com. You can look us up on YouTube or LinkedIn. It's all RIB, Building Automation, Functional Devices. Try to keep the name the same, easy for everybody to find.
Okay, what about the YouTube channel?
YouTube is RIB, Building Automation again, yeah.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to give you a pro tip here, because I know you're a rising superstar. You got to look in the camera and say, please like and subscribe.
Yeah. please like and subscribe. My life depends on it.
And if you really want to be good, and share with your friends.
Yeah, be good and share with your friends, or Mark's going to cut all my hair off.
And then also, if you want to be a super, super pro, you go share with your friends. And while you're at it, share with all the people you don't like, too.
Share with all your friends and the people you don't like.
There you go. Ryan Smith, man. FunctionalDevices.com. Check him out on YouTube.
Thank you.
Please stay.